Do you want to unlock the power of the subconscious mind and master the law of attraction? If so, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will explore the teachings of Neville Goddard and how his methods can help you manifest financial abundance. Reprogram your subconscious mind for success and unlock your inner power for success and abundance. We will also discuss the power of visualization, meditation, and affirmations when it comes to creating the life you want. So if you want to learn the secrets to unlocking the power of the subconscious mind and mastering the law of attraction, then keep watching. But friends, before jumping into the video, just remember one thing. Your support is what drives this channel forward. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Neville Goddard was a renowned spiritual teacher who introduced amazing techniques to use the law of attraction to attract prosperity and wealth into one's life. His teachings have become increasingly popular over the years as people have discovered how powerful they can be in manifesting money into their lives. To make full use of his teachings, it is important to understand how the subconscious mind works. When we impress anything onto our subconscious, passionately believing in it is key, as this will allow it to take form and become reality over time. Neville Goddard's concept of states explains that thoughts are directly tied to our subconscious minds and can be manifested through focusing on them intently and without doubt or fear about their validity being true or false, as long as we believe them. Practicing manifestation takes dedication, but also faith. Faith that what you think truly can come true, no matter how outlandish it may seem at first glance. Taking actionable steps towards reaching your goals while staying steadfastly dedicated to those goals helps keep your energy high for the required mental focus during meditation sessions when visualizing money coming into your life. This combination is key, so don't give up. Establish an environment around yourself conducive to focus, such as having healthy habits like regular exercise, good sleeping habits, and eating nourishing foods. These will assist you in getting mentally prepared for meditating on personal affluence-related topics daily if possible. Create triggers, such as using specific words throughout each day, which remind you why achieving financial success means so much to you personally. These help to stay motivated too. Finally, never forget gratitude. Feeling thankful for every bit of abundance already present within yourself will open many doors, not just financially but emotionally, spiritually too, allowing greater levels of abundance to enter your life more rapidly. Neville Goddard was also an influential metaphysicist who believed that reprogramming the subconscious mind is essential to manifesting desired outcomes. By reprogramming your subconscious, you can create positive change for yourself and make strides towards achieving success. The first step in reprogramming the subconscious is to recognize that it often resists new and unfamiliar experiences that do not fit into existing patterns. The best way to overcome this resistance is by replacing negative thoughts with more positive ones such as faith, belief, and abundance. It's also important to remember that thoughts have energy. If we focus our mental energy on feeling like we already have the things we want rather than wishing for them, then we are more likely to attract those things into our lives according to the law of attraction. Visualization can be a powerful tool when convincing your subconscious mind of what you want out of life. Visualize yourself being successful at a given task or possessing something that will help you reach your goals. This will help convince your subconscious that these goals are true and attainable. Additionally, practicing meditation or affirmations can further strengthen this process as they allow us time for introspection and reflection, which helps build self-confidence and trust in ourselves. Finally, keep in mind that reprogramming your subconscious takes time. Old thought patterns won't magically disappear overnight. Practice patience during this process as it takes dedication over time for lasting change. Reprogramming your subconscious with Neville Goddard's teachings may seem daunting at first, but when done consistently over time, it will help you achieve success. We all have desires that we want to manifest in our lives, whether it be a job opportunity, a new relationship, or financial stability. We understand the power of positive thinking and faith in bringing these desires to fruition. The key lies in unlocking the power of the subconscious mind and mastering the law of attraction with Neville Goddard. Our thoughts have the power to manifest every desire we possess and bring us closer to our ideal lives. Living in this state of understanding means living as if those desires are already here, feeling the emotions that come with them and taking a deep breath to enjoy it. Negative emotions should not limit the kind of life we can experience. Whatever we feel and think will be attracted to us, making success more achievable than ever before. Having faith in the universe will help bring forth desired changes by removing doubt and negative beliefs, while maintaining an unwavering belief that all aspirations are possible for fulfillment now, not later or some other time, but today. Imagination is key when it comes to shaping reality. Everything we believe about ourselves has the potential to become true by connecting with the natural energy that exists around us, as long as we focus on positive thinking about what could come, instead of being weighed down by negativity. This negativity only pushes us further away from achieving our goals. Asking God also holds great potential for bringing dreams to life. His role isn't about controlling circumstances, but rather granting wishes and providing assistance to those who humbly seek it. After developing strong mental clarity, individuals can recognize signs along their journey and allow these grand manifestations to take shape over time. Patience and dedication are important in this mission. Therefore, living a desired life takes practice combined with rigorous action, as well as cultivating confidence, boosting habits embedded within our daily routine. These habits serve as reminders of how true greatness is achieved from our inner world, shining outwardly and influencing the outer realm. This creates a ripple effect that can be seen, felt, admired, and hoped for by everyone. No matter where we look, our vision becomes tangibly real, and manifestation has occurred. In this, everyone wins and nobody loses. The key to unlocking the power within is to let go of the past by living for the end goal. This means focusing on what you want instead of what you don't want, and believing in yourself that anything is possible if you just put in enough effort required. It also requires proactive action steps, such as writing down goals or making vision boards for motivation, all while keeping positive thoughts flowing throughout your mind. By leveraging our inner strength, we can unlock new possibilities in life that we have always dreamed about, but never achieved until now. Imagine having access to magical powers that could transform our dreams into a reality. This is exactly what mastering this law allows us to do. Along with determination, self-belief, and affirmation principles, we can achieve success despite any obstacles or challenges we may face along the way. So let's get started today on unlocking our inner power for success abundance. We hope this video has helped bring some light into your life by introducing you to Neville Goddard's ideas and methods for manifesting your dreams into reality using visualization and belief. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so now so that you can stay updated on new videos about manifestation. Thank you for watching. Happy manifesting.